Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn a new poem, Trees. Okay, before going to the poem, just think about few things that are made of wood. Okay, because wood, where it comes from? It comes from trees. The trees are cut down for the wood, and from that only so many things are made around us. So what are the things that are made of wood? All our furnitures, doors, windows. Okay, all these are made of wood. Then what are the uses of trees then? Trees gives us fruits. Okay, it is also used when we are in hot summer, so they give us nice cool air, breeze. Okay, it's a home for so many birds, insects. So it's useful for various living things. Okay, so in this poem we are going to see about trees. Okay, trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing swings on, trees are for the winds to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pears, trees are to chop down and call timber, trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint, trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rack this summer. Okay, so we'll see the explanation now. So trees, what for it is? Trees are for birds. Birds will have their nest on top of the trees, and they will live there, and they will be sitting on top and they'll be chirping. So that's a beautiful scene. Then trees are for children. So children will be playing around the tree, they will climb up. Okay, then trees are to make tree houses in. So trees are there to make tree houses. So tree top houses are made. Okay, trees are to swing swings on. So what is swing? You all be knowing. So in the picture you can see one girl is sitting in the swing and one girl is pushing her. This is the swing. Okay, trees are for wind to blow through. So the wind will, whenever the wind are passing through the trees, so it will be very cool and it will be very nice to enjoy. Is it not? Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Okay, you all will be playing hide and seek, right? So hide and seek, in that game where the children will go and hide, they will go and hide behind any tree. Trees are to have tea parties under. Okay, any people of any age, so whenever they want to have any leisure tea parties, so if they have any garden and trees, they will arrange a tea party there. Is it not? Trees are for kites to get caught in. Okay, usually this will happen whenever you want to play with the kites will go and got stuck in the branches of the trees. That's a common scene everywhere. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Okay, in hot summer also, if you go and stand under a tree, it will be very cool. Okay, in the very hot sun, if you are walking, if you want to take rest, where we will stand? We will stand under any tree. Okay, trees are to make no shade in winter. So in winter, what these trees will do? They will shed all its leaves and they will be bare. Okay, so there's no need for shade also, and there is no leaves for shade also. Okay, Then trees are for apples to grow on and pears. So on tree top only the apples and pears will grow. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So how the poet is saying, so timber and still more timber. Okay, so they are string on timber. Okay, the trees are chopped down. Okay, trees are cut down and timber is getting. From that timber only all furnitures, door, windows are made. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. So whenever a lovely picture of scenery with the trees are there, mother will be willing to draw the picture of that scene. Then it makes father say, what a lot of leaves to rack this fall. Okay, rack means, so this is the rack, picture of rack. Okay, so this is the tool which is used to sweep the leaves. Okay, so fall means such a season. Okay, when during the season of autumn, the leaves will be falling down. So people use this tool to sweep the leaves from the floor, from the ground. Okay, so father will say, so such a lot of leaves are there to rack, okay, to sweep, to take it out. Okay, there ends this poem. So this is a very simple poem. I want you children to read and enjoy this poem. If you have any hard words, you can search from the dictionary and make a note of it. Okay, I'll wind up this video with this. Thank you, children.